Hey everyone, my name is Frank Papadakis. I just wanted to put together a quick testimonial and give a huge shout out and thank you to Cody and the DebtHelper team. Over the last 3 years, my wife and I have been working with DebtHelper. Prior to that, we had accumulated a total of $92,500 of debt, which takes talent. Our average credit card interest rate was in the high 20%. Couldn't qualify for anything, and we were in the process of looking to buy a new home. With the help of Cody and his team, we were able to reduce the interest rate on the majority of our credit cards down into the low single digits. And over the course of 3 years, we paid off over $80,000 of that debt. I think we have $6,000 left to go, and we will be 100% debt-free. Our credit score has gone from the mid 500s to well over 700. I think it touched at 800 at one point, which I've never done in my entire life. And I couldn't have done it without Cody, couldn't have done it without the Debthelper team. We're very, very grateful, and we are now officially pre-qualified to buy our home. So thank you again. We are very, very fortunate, very grateful.